Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install and create a React project in a Windows 10 operating system. So, let's begin. Now to install and create your React project in Windows 10 operating system, it is very important guys to install NodeJS. So for that it is a very simple step. So just simply go to your favorite browser and just simply type NodeJS. Then it will just simply click on this NodeJS official website and you can clearly see this latest version is 16.1.0. So you need to just simply click on that and it will automatically going to download. And it will just simply do this next and it will going to be installed. I have already made a video about how to install Node.js, so the link will be in the description. If you have any difficulty in installing Node.js, just simply follow along that video, install Node.js and then again come back to this video. So to check whether Node.js has been already installed, just simply open your command prompt and in here just simply type node-v, then enter, and you can clearly see that the version 16.1.0 has been rightly installed on our machine. So now that you know Node has been rightly installed on our machine, another thing is very important to install Visual Studio Code. This is very important also. So just simply go to your favorite browser, just simply type Visual Studio Code download, then just simply go to this official website of Visual Studio Code and just simply click on this download button for Visual Studio Code. And it will going to start downloading and then just simply do this next and it will going to install your Visual Studio Code, and then after installing Visual Studio Code you'll be seeing this Visual Studio Code icon in your desktop. I have already made a video on how to install Visual Studio Code. The link will be again in the description. You can follow along that link to install Visual Studio Code. If you have any difficulty you can do that and then again come back to this video. So now that you know your Node.js and Visual Studio Code both has been rightly installed, so you can just simply right click on it and then just simply click on this new folder. You can name a folder name as let's say React underscore projects, and just simply go inside that directory, your React projects directory. In here just simply click on this address bar and then just simply type cmd. So what it will do is it will going to open your command prompt inside this desktop/React projects, that is our directory. So in here to install React and to create a React project, you need to just simply type this command called npm space init space react-app, and then you need to give the name of your project. So let's give the name of your project as hello world. And one more thing guys, this is very important, you need to give your project name in small caps only. You can't use any capital letter in your project name. This will throw you an error. So for that just simply type this in small letter name, that is basically your name of your project, and then just simply click on enter. This will going to download your React app at the back end, and it's now currently telling that it's now creating a new React app at the back end. So you need to have an active internet connection right throughout this installation so that it's basically download a React at the back end. So it will take some time. So what I'll be doing is I'll be coming back after installing this React app. Yeah. So we'll come back. And now as you can clearly see, our React project has been rightly created and it has given some command. So npm start to start our development server, and then npm run build to bundle our app into the static files for production, and this npm test to start testing our app. So just simply you can clearly see this this hello world project has been rightly created. So you need to just simply go inside that directory first. So cd hello-world. So now that you are so you are now inside this hello world app. So to run this project you need to just simply type npm start, then enter. This will automatically going to start your project under this development server. You need to click on this allow access so that the firewall does not block anything. So just simply click on this allow access, and you can clearly see our browser has been rightly opened using this localhost 3000 URL. And if you just go to your command prompt, it's now currently telling that starting the development server. So your project React app should be visible in this browser in a short time, and you can clearly see our React app has been rightly launched. If you just again go to your command prompt and just simply Control C, then just simply type Y to terminate, and just simply type code dot, then enter. What it will do is it will going to open your Visual Studio Code within this Hello World project directory. So this is going to be, so this is basically your React project. So if you just simply click on this src and then just simply go to index.js, you'll be seeing this app tag. So you need to just again go to this app.js, and you can clearly see this app again. So in here, if you just edit this line to, let's say, hello geeky script, and then just simply click on save, and again just go to new terminal, and just again just type npm start, then enter. It will again going to open this development server, and in our browser it will again going to redirect you to this localhost 3000 page, and it will going to show you hello Geeky script in your browser. I have intentionally made this mistake of Geeky script, so if you just simply make it correct to Geeky script and then just simply press this Ctrl S, it will going to again automatically recompile your project, and it will automatically going to update in our browser, and it will tell hello Geeky script. So in this way you install and create your React project in your Windows 10 operating system. I have rightly shown you how to install NodeJS, then Microsoft Visual Studio Code, and then finally I have shown you how to create your first React project. So that's all for this video, friends. I have this website called geekyscript.com. In here you'll be seeing various tutorials along with some blogs that I have written. So do check our website geekyscript.com. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like and do share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.